A salve or ointment is simply a healing moisturiser that you can rub onto the skin, similar to a cream or a balm, and this will stay on the surface of the skin for an extended period of time before penetrating deeply into the skin. Salves and ointments tend to be more oily and have a thinner consistency than creams or balms, which are usually more thick and waxy. Beeswax is a great natural wax to use in Calendula Salve recipes because it is easy to source, easy to work with, especially when purchased in pastils, and creates a wonderfully smooth cream that rubs into the skin well. Calendula is a wonderful healing herb that can be used both internally or externally to help support the immune system, heal skin infections, and promote cell repair and growth. This beneficial herb is a natural antifungal, anti-inflammatory, and contains antiseptic properties. The part of the plant that is most potent in its medicinal properties is found in the sticky green base of the flower head, known botanically as the sepal and receptacle. The medicinal oils are also found, but to a lesser extent, on the petals themselves, which is why I like to use the whole dried flowers rather than just the petals that have been plucked when making calendula infused oil. Topically, Calendula Salve can be used to soothe and heal a range of skin conditions such as rashes, eczema, acne, sunburn, swelling, stings, wounds, burns, scrapes, dried cracked cuticles, hangnails, scars, cuts, chapped lips, dry skin such as that on the feet or elbows, chickenpox, cold sores, and even genital herpes sores. To make this homemade Calendula Salve, start by placing a stainless steel bowl inside a pot of water and bring the water to a boil to create a double boiler. Add 1 tablespoon of beeswax pastils or shaved beeswax from a block, which is what I used, to the bowl, then heat the wax on the stovetop over medium-low heat until the beeswax melts, stirring frequently. Alternatively, the beeswax may be substituted for half a tablespoon of candelilla wax. I added the calendula oil straight to the stovetop with the beeswax, which you can do, but the heat does deteriorate the properties found in the calendula oil, so it's best to melt the beeswax first, then add in the oil after. Once melted, add in half a cup of calendula infused oil and allow it to warm up on the stove for 30 to 60 seconds, stirring the mixture until the beeswax and oil are thoroughly combined. You can make your own calendula oil, which I'll share the recipe for in the cards above or description below, or you can buy a pre-made calendula oil to use in this salve. Once fully melted together, remove the bowl from the heat and allow the mixture to cool slightly before stirring in 15 drops of lavender essential oil, 5 drops of frankincense essential oil, and 5 drops of German chamomile essential oil. While the mixture is still warm, carefully pour the liquid salve into your chosen containers. If it starts to solidify while you're still filling the jars, return the bowl back to the pan of hot water and heat it on medium-low heat until it liquefies again. Once filled, set the Calendula Salve containers aside with the lids off and allow them to fully cool and set at room temperature. The Calendula Salve will harden as it cools down, and once set, it's ready to use. To use this salve, use either clean fingers or a teaspoon to collect a small amount of the salve and apply the ointment to your skin as needed. Please note that a little goes a long way with this salve. Store this Calendula Salve in a cool, dark place. This homemade salve can last for several years, however the potency of its medicinal properties may decrease with time and age. I always keep 1 salve container out for regular use, then stash the rest away in a cabinet or in my many different handbags for easy use when I'm out and about. Thank you so much for watching this video tutorial on how to make a homemade Calendula Salve. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you found it helpful. Please let me know if you do try this recipe out yourself and what you think. I'd love to know. I wish you a wonderful day or night wherever you are in the world. I'm sending you all my love, and I'll see you soon again.